Alright, sometimes when you're modelling you get rogue verts for all kinds of reasons. Sometimes, especially if you're working with things like booleans, you can have this problem. And what you can have is you can have an object that looks perfectly fine like this. You know, it's in triangles and quads, and that's what you want. But if you go into something like vertex mode on the edit on an editable poly, you'll see that there's these like extra verts kicking about, and for whatever reason they've ended up being there. You want rid of them, and I mean you can do things like, you know, you can sit and you can grab them and target weld them into corners and things like that, and that's fine, but that'll take you quite a while. So one of the ways you can get rid of them fairly quickly, and this really only works with ones that aren't really supporting anything else. You know, like if this bit was out here and it was actually creating a shape and doesn't have any edges connected to it, it will go, and you maybe don't want that. But if you've just got stuff that's sitting along edges and it serves no purpose, then one of the ways you can get rid of them pretty quickly is if you've in vertex mode in edit poly, if you go up to selection, the selection ribbon, and you go to by numeric, what you want to do is you want to select edges to 2, set it to equals, and then hit this selection button. And what that basically does is, if you look at all of these edges, these verts here, these a support vert like this has 3 edges coming into it. So a corner, this corner, 3 edges, 1, 2, 3, and this one here, 1, 2, 3. These ones, however, aren't supporting things, so they have 2 edges. So if you select this to be any vert that's, you want to select any vert that has only 2 edges, equal to 2 edges, it'll select all of these ones in the middle, and then you can just go to remove, and you're rid of them.